So yet again, I've done this before, yet again, another look out of the Travelodge room in Glastonbury on the Wirral Park Roundabout. Fascinating stuff. Lots of independent traffic action. Cars, buses. There's an Optar bus now going past there, a little white one. Very similar to the Eastern Link village shuttle that used to go from Lowestoft to Galston via Lound, etc. They stopped that. It stopped as well over there, look. As a tribute to Elvis. Because it was called Elvis there. Eastern Village. Now there's some people over there in high vis. Hi vis! And they're standing there, bins I think, Costa coffee bins, not doing much work, just chatting. It's a very windy, stormy day. It's the first time I've spoken today, so I'm just clearing my throat. So they're standing there talking. Taking notes. Wonder what they're saying. Sheep up on Wirral Hill. Wirral Hill. There's a delivery. Now, is the delivery for Travelodge or is it for one of the retailers down there? Because you've got yes, oh, it's all sheets. It's the washing. For some reason I always thought they did it on site, but obviously not. Take it away and clean everything. Green lorry coming around. It's coming right round. Sparks Transport. Green blends nicely with Wirral Hill. Here we go. Nice shot of Sparks Transport. Yeah, sheep up on Wirral Hill nicely. But suddenly in the middle of the night, the storm started really quite violently and suddenly. It was quite exciting. It actually felt like the Travelodge was going to like collapse or something. I like Glastonbury Travelodge, always very friendly, very nice. So if you're watching, you know, well done. There's a little lady there crossing the road in blue. She just waved, not at me, but I think to someone let her go. That car there, she's coming along here. She's got a blue bag as well. Got blue coat and blue bag, blue little lighter blue gloves or mittens. Did she consciously pick the blue gloves and blue bag to go with a blue jacket? I don't know. But she's just walking along. She's got a blue car, I wonder. Stone in the middle of the roundabout. That's basically it. There's not a lot happening apart from the independent traffic. There's another high vis man over there, and the other ones that are going to join him. They're walking along. I think the one over there is looking at his phone. They seem a good bunch. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little look out of the Glastonbury Travelodge in January 2025. Give it a few more seconds if there's anything else exciting happening. I don't think there is. Oh, the high fizzers are over there. They're going to cross the road. Like, let's just watch them. I wonder what they're doing. I wonder who they are. Hi, Fizz. Bye, Fizz. I mean, anyone can wear them, couldn't they, and look important. I could wear one and stand in the middle of the road and stop the traffic. People would probably stop. But I'm sure they are genuine high fizzes. Oh, there comes a nice tractor with a... where's it going? I was going down there, but... How the delivery's doing. He's got a pen in his mouth. Bic. Bit of Bic action. And he's writing on there now. Best wishes. Bob Smith. Another autograph. Get them on eBay. Okay, over and out.